I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. Oh, hey, there you are. Guys, I apologize. We've been really bad on these videos lately. A lot of crazy things have been going on. I am a test away from getting my pilot's license. Well, check ride, which is pretty big. I've been studying for that. I have all my hours in. Work has been nuts, so have a lot of video shot, but just haven't been putting it out. Come up with a million excuses why, but we're gonna try to start getting them back out again for you guys. We're really close on this airplane. You're actually about to see it fire up for the first time, which happened a few months ago. But yeah, guys, the wiring is done. We're about to put the wings on it to build the windshield. So that's exciting. Parts are at paint. I'm actually doing some little touch-up things right now. So here pretty soon, guys, this thing's gonna be in the air. Really wish we could have made it to Oshkosh. That was the plan, but just kind of didn't work out that way. So stay tuned, get ready, because you're about to see some cool stuff.
Well, they're adding fuel into the inside tank.
Dead Smurfs.
Dead Smurfs going in. Just kidding. And as you can see, the plane is outside because it's about to have its maiden start.
Not much more, but all we do is that.
Mixtures all the way in, push it rich, throttle slide.
Well, you drained it of gas.
Yep. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.